Hello everyone. My video today is based on a message that I received a couple of days ago on my LinkedIn from a connection that said he had a lot of friends of his who had lost their jobs and were going through mental stress and anxiety in this period of the lockdown. This period is one that we never anticipated that we would see, but we have. If you are going through anxiety, stress, if you're insecure of what the future holds for you, you're not the only one. Everyone all across the globe are scared, worried, fearful, anxious of what the future holds. If you feel that you have lost a lot of money, a lot of good opportunities, trust me, you're not the only one. Nations today have lost a lot during this time. But the good thing is that we still live, we're still alive. We still didn't lose our lives like a lot of people who didn't get a second chance. I'm making this video especially for those who have lost their jobs. It is my perspective, it may relate with you or not, but this is my advice to you. There are 3 ways according to me you can get through this time and period, and you can look forward to a brighter future. In this time, instead of sitting and thinking about all the things you can't do anything about, take control of the things you can do something about. Look at all your profiles online, look at your resume again. Take note of all the details. Try to make it new, revamp it, redo your profiles online and offline. Number 2, time to wake your network up. You know, when I was younger and I was looking out for my first job, I decided to tell everyone I was looking out for a job. This is the time to check if your friends are your real friends. Tell everyone that you're looking out for a job. Tell everyone that you may be looking out for a job. Tell them to keep a ear open for you. What is the point of having a network if you can't use it now? Wake your network up. Tell everyone you're looking out for a job. Number 3, start thinking of a plan B. Trust me, after this period is over, everything is going to be different. The way companies function, the way businesses have been running, everything is going to change. It's a good time now for you to think of a plan B, an additional source of income to something you are currently doing. Even if you don't have a job today, you will find a job tomorrow, but you must have a plan B in place. With everything going digital, you have 2 platforms to create this plan B on, online or offline. Think about it and start planning on a plan B. We're in a time that was probably never anticipated. It goes to show that sometimes life goes by its own destiny, by its own plan. And no matter how much you worry about or no matter how much you get stressed of, some things are out of your control. But what you can control is your thought process right now in these days. Where is your mind taking you? Is it taking you to negativity, or is it keeping you still sane enough to do something about the things that you can control? The only thing you need to worry about in the time when you are locked up inside your house is how you can keep your mind sane and how you can do things that will keep you productive. So the 3 things that I propose to you to help you keep productive is 1, revamp, redo all your online and offline profiles. Wake up your network and tell them the crisis if it's a job related crisis. Tell them to help. This is the time to ask for help instead of being egoistic about it. You do not want a network that's just standing there to clap for you or to feel sorry for you. You want a network that's moving when you want them to move. And last but not the least, start working on a plan B. The whole world is doing that. If you already have a plan B, then let there be a plan C. You know, last month when the lockdown started, it was going to be one of the best months of my career. I had some brilliant opportunities lined up. I had invested a lot of hard work, time, energy, and even money in making sure that those events went well. When the lockdown was announced, I myself was in a confused state of mind for a few days. So if you're feeling the same way today, I completely resonate with you. It is a state of mind that is anxious, depressed, stressed, and one that you need to get out of. Write to me, connect with me. All of my details are in the description below. I wish you a lot of opportunities, and I wish you a peaceful state of mind in this period where you are not alone and all of us are going through it together with you. I will be coming up with a lot of online content, and I hope that it helps you and adds value to your life. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Till I see you next time, I wish you all the very best.